Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can enable voice chat in Apex Legends. So basically, first things first, you want to head over to the main menu of Apex Legends. In here you want to click on the gear icon, which is going to be at the top corner of your screen. Click on setting, and inside this page you want to navigate through audio. Basically in here you have the voice chat category. Just make sure that you have the voice chat input device at the right microphone. So in my case, I'm using my voice meter main microphone. And then in here, you have the voice chat record mode. If you want to go ahead and use push to talk, you could basically do that. You have open mic or you have toggle mic right here. Now I'm going to be using push to talk just to make sure that the players that I'm talking to doesn't hear everything that I say. In here, you have the open mic threshold. This is just the threshold on where your mic can go ahead and basically open up. So if your audio right here doesn't cross the red line, it means that people cannot go ahead and hear you. This is nice if you want to go ahead and use open microphone. Hello, mic test. So when it reaches the green color right here, it means that people can hear me. Now for the incoming voice chat volume, this is basically the people talking to you. So you want to make sure that it is set to 100 around it, and simply from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.